नमस्ते बेटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो। Myself, Javier Dr. Gaurav Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Forensic Medicine and Toxicology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In this presentation, I am going to give you some examples of questions that have been appeared in different higher examinations for the government jobs or postgraduate entrance exams. The first question is the most reliable method of estimating blood alcohol level. It came into Bihar for the Ayush MO post in 2014, and the options were cavities test, breath alcohol analyzer, thin layer chromatography, and gas liquid chromatography. So this question is basically based on your knowledge. How deep knowledge do you have about the subject? So the answer is gas liquid chromatography. In usual manners, the alcohol test is done using breath alcohol analyzers by police department, but the most reliable method is gas liquid chromatography. The second question is the most reliable diagnostic sign of drowning that came into Ayush examination of MO in Bihar in 2014. And the options were foreign bodies in air passages, water in stomach, cutis and saline, and throat at nostril. So you must know the symptoms, you must know the postmortem appearances to answer the question, and the answer is throat at nostrils. Third question was is in India time limit for exhumation is. This question also come into Bihar Ayush MO examination for homeopathy in 2014, and the options were no time limit, 5 years or 15 years or 20 years. So to answer this question, you first need to know what is exhumation, and then you can answer the question, and the answer was no time limit. Fourth question is dying declaration can be recorded by, and that question comes into MD entrance examination in Nehru Homeopathic Medical College 2014, and the options were magistrate only, doctor only, police in presence of accused, and anyone. So the answer is anyone. So you need to know about what is dying declaration, how it is taken, and who can take this. Next question is corners is only a court of that one question came into MPPSC examination for MO in 2009, and the options were trial, inquiry, both trial and inquiry, and none of these, and the answer is inquiry. Next question, suicidal strangulation is that question also came into MPPSC MO examination in 2009, and the option were rare, common, uncommon, none of these. So you should have precise knowledge of the medical legal aspects of strangulation, and the answer is rare. Next question is where does rigor mortis starts from? It also come into MPPSC MO examination 2009, and the options are kidney, heart, stomach, eye. And to answer this question, you need to understand what is rigor mortis, when it starts, how it proceeds. Then only you can answer the question, and the answer is I. Next question is the maximum blood alcohol level allowed for driving in India is. That question came into AIA PGET 2019, and the options were 10, 20 mg%, 30 mg%, 50 mg%, and 80 mg%. And the answer is 30 mg%. So from these examples, you can understand that how deep knowledge is required. So you need to go thoroughly through the subject and understand the concepts and threads of the subject. Thank you.